Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make cinematic intro in CapCut PC. First click on the media, go to the background and pick any background. I'm selecting this one, put on the timeline. Next go to the text, select the default text, put on the timeline, adjust to the media, type the text, make it bold, adjust the size, go to the animation tab, click on the in tab, select the laser cut and increase the duration. Select both clip, right click, create compound click, go to the media and select the video. I have selected this one. Drag to the timeline, put the compound clip on the above the timeline, select the main media, go to the speed on the right tab, decrease the speed to adjust it the compound media, click on the compound media, go to the video, click on the blend, select the multiply, adjust the opacity to approximately 65%. Just play it and look how it works. This looks perfect. So I hope this video helps to understand how to make cinematic intro in CapCut PC. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.